Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to find and utilize the repeat zoom effect on CapCut. So initially what you're going to want to do is go up to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Nightclub, and then scroll down to find the repeat zoom effect. We're going to click and drag it down to the timeline, and we're going to kind of zoom through it to see what it does. And now we're going to grab the end of it and elongate it to fit the entirety of the clip. And with it being highlighted, we're going to go up to the special effects tab and mess with the strength, the glow, size, speed, and texture. And also add keyframes. We have a video on that if you guys are interested in keyframes. So let's take a look. I'd say that's pretty cool. I mean, if you're in, Colorado or maybe like Oregon and it's snowing there, you don't really need this effect. But for us Floridians, this effect is vital for Instagram. Well, thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.